Hey, this is just a quick video to talk to you about the cargo carrying capacity of a Power Wagon. In case you're thinking about getting a Power Wagon, but you're worried about cargo capacity and being able to haul anything. This 16 Ram Power Wagon that I have here gives me the smoothest ride of like a half ton that I've ever had. And yet, here I am, I've got 2,300 pounds worth of oil in the back here. Yeah, I took the tailgate off so I could back up to a dock and I could put that on with the forklift. But you know, I got a compressor in here and tools, and been to Walmart and got groceries. Got this side's clear full of tools and sockets and, you know, 3-ton jack. The other side's the same way. One thing I did do is I put cheap Craigslist steel wheels on here to handle the weight, because them aluminum wheels they come with, the beads will get sharp. And yeah, I got 10-ply tires on here too. But you know, you want to work a Power Wagon, you can. You just got to put some cheap Firestone airbags on there. It took me 45 minutes to put them on. They probably cost $300. Almost daily I pull a 16-foot dump trailer with this, and the excavator that's in it's about 8,300 pounds, and then plus all of its attachments. So this thing gets worked every day, and been doing it now for going on 3 years. Got 88,000 miles on it. Hadn't given me any trouble at all. So if you're thinking about getting yourself a Power Wagon, but you're worried about hauling something with it, I pull a 35-foot bumper pull trailer to the lake with it every summer. PJ tilt trailer with it, 26-footer. I've hauled everything from excavators to F-250s, and you name it, I've done it. Plus I go playing with it. You can see I've had them running boards. I need some rock sliders on here. Them running boards, I'm tired of straightening them out. I like to go play too hard with it. So catch you later. Hope this helps you make a decision.